Okay, so I've decided to do a quick haul before I put things away. As I said, it's not huge, but I'll share with you what I did get from my Walmart online grocery experience. So I picked up some cherry tomatoes, the strawberries, which is the only thing they substituted. I picked up some Polish sausage. I picked up 2 packages of the Great Value brand Old Cheddar cheese, and there are 210 grams in that. The one thing I did not purchase, I don't know if it was a freebie, because I know I checked this Kellogg's Protein Honey Almond Ancient Grains. I did not purchase this, so that was in my grocery bags. So that was a freebie. I picked up 2 of the stovetops, the chicken flavor. Those were on sale as well. I picked up some of the Adams creamy peanut butter, the 100% all natural. I picked up 2 packages of 18 eggs, and these are on for, I believe, $2.88. A great deal on those. So I picked up 2. I picked up a 750 ml of chocolate milk. These were also a great deal. I believe they were $1.88 for the Nutrell half and half cream. So I did pick up 2 of those. I love the half and half with my coffee. Just picked up a bag of all dressed Ruffles. Those were, I believe, $2.77. I picked up a cucumber. We also picked up some turkey breast by the Deli Express. This is $5. And there is 250 grams over there. And we really love this. It's gluten-free as well. And we love smoked turkey breast. And that's one of the better deals they have there. This is the bacon I was telling about. It's the Deli Express bacon. And we stocked up for the winter. We have like 10 packages. And these were, again, $2.87 or $2.88. So we picked up quite a few of those. Just a little treat. We picked up the Russell Stover no sugar added, made with stevia leaf extract, and these are the Pecan Delights. Small package. It's 85 grams. We did want to try that. We picked up the McCain Super Fries Extra Crispy in the straight cut. These are almost like the McDonald's. If you love McDonald's fries, these are, to me, in my opinion, the next best thing. And I think I've gone through everything except for the Campbell's chicken broth. We picked up 2 of those. And that was my grocery haul. This came out to, I think after my discount, it came out to, my $10 discount, it came out to $50-ish. I can't remember. I don't have my receipt with me, and I don't have my my email here to tell you for sure, but it was definitely between the $55 and $60 mark, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so that was my grocery haul and my experience with online shopping. I can't speak today, so I hope you enjoyed it. Again, comment down below, let me know what your experience is. If you've had good or bad, I'd like to hear. And again, not sponsored at all. I just wanted to share with you what is available, you know, especially for those busy parents, those busy days, those stormy days where you really don't want to head out to the store and face the crowds. This is definitely a great alternative in my opinion. So again, thank you so much for watching. And I'll say it again, like always, I'll talk to you in my next video, hopefully sooner than later. Bye everyone.